Okay, my dad called and messed up the video. So we are back, but I didn't know the video stopped. I just thought I hung up on my dad. So anyhow, what I did here was, because I can't erase, sorry guys, I added red into my pink, and I talked about how we're still layering colors, but I added red for more contrast. So remember, contrast is lightness and darkness. So we have the dark next to the light, next to the white. And over here I have, where's my car? These strong highlights. There's a strong highlight, and then here's a small highlight over here. All right, so I'm gonna demonstrate a little bit more for you guys before we practice. So I decided to do red because the red made it look more like the hot pink that the actual car is, but the green helped the red get darker for the darker shadows. And I can still use my hot pink or my light pink colored pencil when I get to the lighter shadows. So I have my darkest shadow, my medium shadow, my whites, which are my strong highlights. And again, I'm using short lines. I'm staying inside the shape that I'm using, and I did not outline, just like we talked about with the last step. That's why we did it in pencil first. And then for my lighter part, I'm going to go ahead and use pink. Remember, if you don't have those colors, then that's okay. You can use just primary colors. You can use as many colors as you want. So in theory, I would use like 20 different colors for this and just keep overlapping them, because that's the type of art I like to do. But I know a lot of you are limited to the materials you have at home. So just use the materials you have. You need 2 colors. It can be any 2 colors. So the requirement is mixing colors to create value. So mix colors using lightness, light lines to create value, which is your lightness to your darkness, mixing colors, and then craftsmanship, which is neatness. And you already did the composition part, which was filling the space, and you've already done the perspective part, which was turning your object into multiple different angles to draw. All right, but now that I have my shadows, my mediums, so my darks, my lights, my highlights, now the hood of my car is starting to look around. It's not 100% done, but I'm going to let you guys go ahead and get started on yours. And remember, after class today, you can go back and pause the video as often as you need to. You can rewatch it as often as you need to. All right, so let's go ahead and try it, and then I'm going to have you guys hold your piece up again so that I can see it.